Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine and this is Just Being Katherine. Today is going to be a super exciting video because we are going fall shopping. So I'm going to take you along with me as we go shopping to different stores. You're going to be able to see what I picked up, how I made decisions on what I should or should not get. We do have a budget. That's what this channel is all about. I made a list of things that I need or want so that I can stay on track. I have a lot of decor from the previous years, so I know exactly what I'm looking for. If you're new here, welcome. I make DIYs and affordable decor videos. If you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are aware every time I upload a new video. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you again. So the first place we are going to go to is Hobby Lobby because I know they have deals and I can use coupons. Then I'm going to go to Michael's and HomeGoods because they're right there on the same strip. And then my last place is going to be Target. These last year, but they were more cotton, and I can't seem to find them this year. White ones too. Actually quite disappointed because Hobby Lobby didn't have much. Didn't have anything I thought was worth purchasing this year. And what I came in there looking for, they didn't have it. So on to the next store. We're gonna try HomeGoods. Back in the blanket aisle. I just can't make up my mind because I'm just afraid that the cream will blend in with our sofa. We have like a tan sofa, so I'm not sure if the cream or the white blanket will work. And then I want to get this one, but I just think that the colors on here may clash with the deep orange and red pillows we have. So I've literally been going back and forth for like the last 15 minutes. So we do have more of these, but I can't just find them. And oh wait, I think I did. Look at those. I found them. Yes, how much are they? $13. So getting them. I am finding a lot of good stuff. I have a throw and pillow and plant, but now I need to just find something that will go with that's more personalized. Just like Texas to welcome us into fall with all of this rain. I just went to Michael's, Ross, and Marshall's and HomeGoods, and I got a lot of items from HomeGoods. I couldn't make up my mind. So something I always do is I collect things and then take it home with me to see how it would fit or work, or how I can, like, you know, decorate with it. And if it doesn't work, I can always take it back. How does that phrase go? I'd rather have it than not need it and don't have it. If I can get past this rain, I'm gonna go to the last store, which is Target. I already have a mental note of what I actually want from Target, so hopefully they have it there. If not, then I'm gonna call it the day. But the only thing I was looking for left, something personalized with our last initial on there. I seem to can't find that anywhere. This was much harder than I thought. We are back home and the sun is out. So I showed you all a little bit of everything, but I didn't necessarily show you what I picked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have like 5 items. So I didn't get a ton of stuff simply because, honestly, can I be truthful with you? I either didn't see something that stood out to me that I said to myself, I just have to have it. I went back and forth. Can I use it within the next 3 months? Have I bought something similar like this and it didn't last? Is it functional as well, and how many uses can I get out of it? So I'm gonna show you the few items that I have. So I got this from Target. It was $15. I love the detailing on this vase. I think I can use it for so much stuff. I can use it in the kitchen, our bookshelf, to put flowers in. The next thing I got are these wreaths. These are $12.99 and I got them from Home Goods. I thought would go perfectly for this fall. I wanted to bring more of that natural element in. The next thing that I picked up is this candle. It smells so good. This one is Sand and Fog brand. It's called Pumpkin Harvest Coconut Wax Blend, which means that it's gonna have a subtle scent to it. I absolutely love it. I love the packaging. And on the top is a wood sign with a green pumpkin that says Hello Fall. I actually bought a to-do list that says Hello Sweater Weather. I've been looking for a to-do list that has a magnet on the back of it because I go through these so much. I usually write down our groceries. It's just easier for us to see it, easier for us to write things as they come to mind. It was only $2.99 and I got it from Home Goods. And the very last thing, which I think was probably the biggest portion of our budget, was this throw blanket. I actually don't know which one to get. I like this one with the fringes and it feels soft, but I like the texture of this one. I'm just concerned that like it'll snag. This one was $19.99 and I also got this from Home Goods as well. So on the video I was going back and forth with a plaid one and then a cream one, and I brought the plaid one home to see how it looked with the decor, and I just did not like it at all. Even with that pillow that I purchased, I was like, I like it, but I don't love it. I love this one so much because it's cream, it's soft, there are fringes at the end. It's just so much versatility with this. So that's all for now. I thank you all so much for coming along shopping with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. What is a good fall drink for somebody who does not drink coffee? Comment below. Well, thank you again so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video as I decorate our home. And I will talk to you all later.